Hi guys, in this video we are going to work with factorization. Right, welcome MIP 1502 students. Right, factorization is also important, guys. Hope you saw in last year's question papers and other February, March exam papers. There was factorization, right? So this type of factorization that we are going to work with, it's called difference of two squares. You only use the difference of two squares when the squares are separated by a minus. When the squares are separated by a minus, as we have seen here, as we can see here, right? Let's say you are having x squared minus y squared. When difference of two squares is known by the squares are separated by what? The minus, right? So in this case, what will be the squares? If we find the root, what will be the root of x squared there? The root of x squared will be x. Square root of x squared will be x minus. So since it's a product of two of the same thing, so one will have a positive sign, the other one will have a negative sign. So this is what we call a difference of two squares, right? So let's go to this part. We are given x squared minus 9. What are the factors of x squared? Factors of x squared are x and x, right? Factors of 9, that's going to be 3. And 3 times 3 is 9. So it will be minus and plus. And plus. Doesn't matter. You can start with plus here and you say minus. Still, it's the same thing. Right. Okay. Let's go to the second equation. 27 is not a perfect square. We cannot find the square of this. So what do we do when we are given such question? Always look for highest common factor. What are the factors of 27? It's 3 times 9. So we are going to have 3 multiplied by 9x squared. To get to negative 12, we need 4 because 3 times 4, it's negative 12. So we have a difference of two squares here, which is 9x squared minus 4. So what are we going to do? We are going to factorize. What are the factors of 9x squared? It's 3x and 3x. Factors of 4, it's going to be 2 and 2. What about the signs? The signs will be different. We're going to have minus. We're also going to have plus. Right. Okay, let's go to our last question. This is quite a little. This is quite tedious actually, because you can see it's power 4. So it's a difference of two squares because it is separated by a minus. Don't forget that. What are the factors of 81? What makes 81? Definitely it's 9 times 9, right? So the factors of 16, that will be 4 and 4. So we are going to have 9x squared minus 4 as well as 9x squared minus 4 plus 4. Sorry for that. So which one? It's a difference of two squares. Remember, when it has a plus, it's not a difference of two squares. So this cannot be factorized further, but this can be factorized further. So we are just going to say 9x squared plus 4, right? So let's factorize further. What are the factors of 9x squared? It's 3x as well as 3x as well as factors of 4, it's 2. One must have a minus and the other must have a plus 2. So this is how you can work out with factorization of difference of two squares. Hope you find this video useful, guys. Don't forget that next week we are studying functions, right? We are taking step by step each unit. Remember, we are studying to know, not to